Welcome to a demonstration of Application Jukebox from Endeavors Technologies. This video focuses on the Studio application, which is the technology required to convert a standard application installer into a format which can be streamed. The first step of creating a streamable application is called packaging, or the creation of an app set. This can be best described as a record of all the changes made to a PC by installing the desired application. The application set is what will be streamed from the server to the player. We are now going to create a new project in Studio by simply clicking New. Here we can define the project by inputting metadata such as title, description, and publisher. As you can see here, we are going to publish WinZip. In addition, you can also determine which operating system the app set will run on and the desired level of compression. Another important aspect we must decide at this point is the type of virtualization the app set will have. A unique feature of Application Jukebox is what we call configurable virtualization. At this stage, we can determine whether the app set will be either isolated or integrated. When packaging, if an app set is isolated, it will behave in the traditional sandbox manner where it is hidden from the local OS and therefore interaction is reduced. The other option here is integrated, which means the application will interact with the local operating system as if it has been locally installed. A unique and patent feature of Application Jukebox is that you can determine this functionality down to the file and registry level, allowing great flexibility in your packages and how you want them to behave on the target device. For the purpose of this video, we will make the entire app set integrated. Now let's save our project. We are now going to capture our installation of WinZip. Simply click Capture and browse to the location of the installation file. Studio can be set to only capture file and registry activities for the process and sub-processes that are launched by the installer or all processes. We now launch the installer through Studio. We follow the installation process as we would normally. However, when it comes to the install location, we recommend that this be changed to the root C:drive. Once the installer is finished, we click OK, and Studio will merge all the information captured into the Files and Registry tabs. Almost done. You can now browse through all the file changes and registry changes the installer made to the system, making any necessary changes if required. The last step for us is to tell Studio which folder is the working folder and the application which is the main executable file to launch upon streaming. Once this is done, we simply save our project and click Package. During the packaging process, Studio will compress and encrypt all the files and registry entries into one single app set file that can then be streamed by the Application Jukebox server. That's it. It's as simple as that. That concludes our tour of the Application Jukebox Studio. Thank you for your time. If you require any further information, please do not hesitate to contact us or visit our website at www.endeavors.com.